Alright, here we come to the North Tower elevators at the Moody Gardens Hotel in Galveston, Texas. These are Schindler foundry with RT fixtures. Got that one over there. P. Go to 9. We're gonna end the video on 2 after this, so I can go to the main hotel lobby elevators. Or the main hotel elevators, actually. Alright, let's go down to 2 now. There's Big Brother. It's a nice elevator. Oh. I canceled my call. See the floor's going by on there. Use your fixtures, watch the button go out. RT fixtures on a Schindler 500A. Sorry. There they go, and that's it.